it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all what are my January favorites. So if you guys would like to know, then please keep on watching. So like usual, in my monthly favorites category, the first category of favorites are two favorite YouTubers for the month. So the first YouTuber is Aarti and her channel name is AJ Makeup Corner. So Aarti is a professional makeup artist and I totally love her makeup skills. So if you're someone who wants to learn makeup, then you should definitely check out her channel for more makeup tutorials. And the second YouTuber is Kajal and her channel name is Nails Fashionista Nail. So she has some amazing nail art tutorials as well as makeup tutorials, and she also does several product reviews. I totally love watching her video and I think you should definitely check out her video as well. So please make sure to check out both Aarti and Kajal's channels because it would mean a lot to me and to them if you could just share some love and subscribe to both their channels. So yeah, those were my two favorite YouTubers for the month. Now coming on to skincare. So the first product is the Janelli Apricot Face Oil. Now this is a face oil that consists of pure apricot oil along with geranium oil. I got this in one of my Reverie boxes and it's been almost a month since I've been using this. And I totally love how this feels on my skin. I just use about 4 to 5 drops after I cleanse my face and I just pat it all over my face, including my under eye area, because it also helps to eradicate the dark circles. So I totally love how this feels on my skin, and the next morning my skin feels super hydrated, nourished and with a subtle glow, which I absolutely love. So I definitely think you should check out this product because it's only for rupees 400, which I think is a very good price. So yeah, that was the first product. The second product is by Juicy Chemistry and it is their Argan and Rose Serum. Now this is actually a day serum which has natural SPF. It also contains carrot seed oil and argan oil and rose oil, and because it contains natural SPF, you do not have to apply a separate sunscreen over it. So right now I'm just using this in the morning after I cleanse my face. I just take about 3 drops of this oil and I just massage it into my skin till it gets completely absorbed, and it has an amazing fragrance. It only retails for rupees 400 and this is the smallest bottle that I've got just to try, but I must say it keeps my skin super hydrated till the night, and I actually did not feel like my skin needed any extra moisturization after using this. So currently the Janelli Apricot Face Oil and the Juicy Chemistry Argan and Rose Serum are my absolute 2 favorites, which are a part of my skincare routine nowadays, and needless to say I absolutely love them, and that's why they are in my favorites category. The first product is the recent launch by Sugar Cosmetics and it is their Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick. Now these retail for rupees 499 rupees and it comes in 10 different shades. I have a separate review on these lipsticks which I will link somewhere here or in the description box below if you'd like to check them out. I totally love the formulation of these lipsticks because they are super long wearing. So yeah, this is the first product. Second product is this Pune Store Miracle Sponge. Now I'm sure you guys must have recognized that this is exactly identical to the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. The shape of this, the color, everything is pretty much similar except for the price. This one retails only for rupees 320 for 2 pieces. So per piece would cost you about 160 bucks. So this is what the packaging looks like, and again it's completely identical to the Real Techniques one. This is the sponge that I've been currently using for my my base makeup. So just let me know if you guys would like a complete review on this because it is a decent enough sponge, especially for beginners who do not want to invest in buying an expensive beauty blender. This is a perfect option for beginners as well as for people who want to start using beauty blenders or sponges. You can just try this one out because it is super inexpensive, only for 160 bucks, and it's also available on Amazon. So this was the second product. The third product is this toiletry bag. and I have two of these. This one is the peach color and I have another in the pink color. So this one I use for keeping my skincare essentials and the other pink one I use for keeping my makeup. Now the good part about this toiletry bag is that it retails only for rupees 359, which is like super inexpensive. The thing that I really like about this bag is, as you can see here, there are two separate sections so that you can keep the products here, as well as it has this kind of a flap wherein you can store your toothbrush, toothpaste, or even your makeup brushes. And when you just take over this flap, here is the section where you can just keep your other products. So I think this is a super inexpensive yet very good quality toiletry bag if you guys are looking for one. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, you might have already known that I had recently been to Gujarat for my cousin's wedding, and these were the two toiletry bags that I was carrying that time, and that is when I realized how convenient it was to carry my products in these two toiletry bags. So this one is my makeup pouch, and this one is my skincare. I've just removed the skincare because I've been using it in my day-to-day life. So yeah, in this I used to keep my skincare, and in this one I used to keep my makeup products. So yeah, I think if you guys are also looking for a good toiletry bag, you should definitely check out these bags. These again are available on Amazon. So guys, those were the products that I have been absolutely loving in the month of January. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you did like this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and I shall see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.